maging pari, o kaya maging miyembro ng mga banda na yun, ha? Nag-iiba-iba tayo rito. We are being called for a mission. This is unique to the person. This refers to a particular calling, state of life, ministry, or work. A person is being called by God. In broad terms, it can refer to marriage state, single blessedness, and religious life. In more specific terms, it may also refer to a particular ministry in the church, like being a catechist, an educator, a priest, etc. Or it can also mean a particular profession in the community, like being an engineer, doctor, or architect, or nurse. Now, when we go to our specific calling, there are two requirements. Kung tutugon tayo sa specific calling, kung tutugon ka maging madre, kung tutugon ka maging engineer, may specific calling, may two requirements. First, this kind of calling or word or state of life is calling, that the Lord is calling you, is something that you need to do. It is something that you are convinced doing. And it is something that makes you happy. And the second requirement is that this answer to your calling is something that the church or that the community needs. It is something that will benefit the community. Huh? Hello? Hi? Klaro? Nakikinig pa kayo? Nasusundan nyo? Sasabi doon, sa specific calling, may dalawang requirements. Una, kumbinsido kang gawin yon at ayon sa iyong kagustuhan din at sa iyong happiness, happy kang gawin yon. Pangalawa, kung tutugon ka sa specific calling na yun, kung tutugon ka maging madre, maging pari, maging katekista, ito ay magbe-benefit sa community in view of service. Kaya ho, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan yung specific calling ay nakakatulong sa iyong sarili at nakakatulong din sa community. Ha? Nakakatulong sa community. Posible na yung bokasyon mo ay happy-happy kang ginagawa yun, pero hindi naman nakakatulong sa ibang tao. Halimbawa ko, kung ikaw ba mag-aasawa, makakatulong ka ba sa taong mapapakasawa mo? Will you help the person develop your personality by getting married to her or to him? Alam niyo, meron akong parishioner. Doon nag-area mas ako. Ito, siguro mga over 60, 70 years old na. Doon nabimisa ako, merong isang ale dito, merong isang ale, na laging tumatawa, tawa siya ng tawa. Tapos sabi ko, ay ma'am, parang ang happy-happy mo. Ha? Tapos sabi, ay oo father, ay oo father. Ikaw ba, talaga na, ba't ka happy-happy? Ay, basta happy ako father. Ano pag-usapan namin ng married life? Tapos biniro ko lang naman. Sabi ko, pero pag tumawa ka, parang kang biyuda. Sabi niya, hi father, biyuda na talaga ako, tama kayo. And then when she said na siya'y biyuda, happy-happy pa rin, biyuda na ako father. Sabi ko, alam mo, ikaw lang ang biyuda na masayang-masaya. Sabi niya, yes father, 20 years na akong malaya. Ha? After the mass, I approached her. Sabi ko, bakit kaya masayang-masaya ka na kayo ng biyuda? Sabi niya, tama lang, Father, na namatay na ang asawa ko. Sabi niya, alam niyo, Father, nung nagkasakit yung mister ko, nagkasakit ng mister ko, pumunta ako sa Adoration Chapel, at alam niyo, isa lang yung prayer ko. Sabi ko, anong prayer mo?